Hello,
Hello,
my name is Teacher Helen. Today we have speaker test. Okay, what's your name?
my name is Gwen.
Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 12.
And where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Helen City.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my sister.
Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is
What do you like doing? Do you like playing sports?
I like draw many beautiful pictures.
Okay, now let's move to the next part. In this part, we have two topics. The first one, my favorite film. The second one, my dream house. Which one you want to talk about?
I want to choose my favorite film.
Okay, you can have some time to think about these questions. You want to start talking? Okay.
Yes. My favorite film is Doraemon. The film is
Yes. What type? What type is it?
the type of film is
Is it comedy?
comedy. The main character is Doraemon.
All right.
I like this film because it's funny and
Makes you happy?
make I happy when I am sad.
All right.
I often have watched
How many times?
one times
One time
on
only.
on
Okay.
I often went I often went to the cinema to watch it, and I often with I often watch it with my sister.
Okay. All right. Good. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.